Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both numbers are in proper scientific notation, coefficient times 10 to an exponent. First, write each number clearly as a times 10n and b times 10m. Next, check the coefficients, make sure they sit between 1 and 10. If a coefficient is outside that range, adjust it now by shifting the exponent. Once done, isolate coefficients and exponents, so you can multiply the coefficients directly and plan to add the exponents in the next step. Now multiply the two coefficients together. Perform a times b carefully, keeping track of significant digits. While you do that, add the exponents n plus m to get the combined power of 10. Combine those results into a single expression. A times b times 10, n plus m. Make sure to use proper arithmetic order and avoid rounding too early. If the coefficient multiplication produces a value outside the 1 to 10 range, you will normalize it in the final step, which changes the exponent accordingly. Finish by normalizing the coefficient so it lies between 1 and 10. If your coefficient is 10 or greater, divide it by 10 and add 1 to the exponent. If it is less than 1, multiply by 10 and subtract 1 from the exponent until normalized. Then round to the correct significant figures. Make sure to avoid premature rounding. Finally, check your work by converting the result back to standard decimal form to confirm the magnitude. Troubleshooting tip: if magnitude seems wrong, recheck exponent addition and normalization steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.